Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to our channel. Thanks so much for watching our video. It has been reported that due to Baba Ijesha's case, the Lagos state government are to prosecute Yomi Fabiyi for contempt of court. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, we urge you to kindly click on the red subscribe button below, and as well as the notification bell to always have the access to get a lot of news here on our platform. And according to a report in which was released in a daily on the July 26, 2021, the Lagos State Directorate of Public Prosecution (DPP) has said it will prosecute one of the popular Yoruba Nollywood actor called Yomi Fabiyi for contempt of court over airing a movie about the fact of a case under judicial consideration. Mrs. Olayinka Adeyemi, the Director of Public Prosecution in Lagos State, told an Ikeja Special Offence Court that Yomi Fabiyi produced a movie titled Iyabo based on the proceeding of the court on 24th of June 2021. She said in a statement that despite warnings during the proceedings on 24th of June that the matter was sub judice, therefore prohibited from public discussion in another place. But Yomi Fabiyi went ahead and made a movie about the fact of the case in the court using the real names of the parties and witnesses in the matter. Moreover, Justice Oluwatoyin Taiwo expressed displeasure in his reaction to the development and also ordered investigations by the authorities to enable legal actions to be taken against Yomi if he is found guilty. Moreover, according to the report, the lead defense counsel Dada Awoshika-san, in responding to the allegations, said the movie was filmed before the case began in the court, and he said the movie is about the controversy between Yomi Fabiyi and Iyabo Ojo, and Dada said both of them have supporters on different sides and they are not parties of the case. And as well, to also report that just few days ago, the Baba Ijesha was seen in court alongside Iyabo Ojo and Princess to the sexual assault trials as it begins. And as well, there has been a lot of information in which has been coming out from this as a result of this trial of Baba Ijesha. As well being said that the evidence was provided from the CCTV footage which was gotten from the scene, as Princess provided it and presented it to the court. It was also reported that the footage was admitted by the Special Court Offence Court Unit, Lagos State High Court, and also in which this was submitted by the comedian Princess as evidence against Baba Ijesha. Also to recall that on Monday, Olayinka Adeyemi, the State Director of Public Prosecution (DPP), presented 3 witnesses, including Princess, against Baba Ijesha in the case. Adeyemi also tendered a CD copy of the CCTV footage before the court as evidence in the case after Princess gave an account of what transpired. But Babatunde Ogala, counsel to Baba Ijesha, opposed the gesture, arguing that the CCTV footage was not a primary evidence. Primary evidence is not secondary evidence, and the maker of the CCTV footage is the primary evidence, and the CD is a secondary evidence which is not admissible, he said. In reacting, however, Oluwatoyin Taiwo, the judge, ruled that the footage can be admitted in the case, adding that the witness and prosecution had laid enough foundation for its admission, and Princess has laid enough foundation so it's admissible. The witness has given enough information on it, so I will allow it, the judge actually said. And as well, it has been said that due to the ongoing movie in which was produced by Yomi Fabiyi, it was being said that Yomi Fabiyi was not in court as the moment when the court was actually making all this pronouncement, but his representative may be in court, and this contempt of court and the intent to prosecute him and bring him before the court, the DPP said. In reacting, Justice Oluwatoyin Taiwo expressed displeasure about the development and held out for an investigation. And this case is subjudiced and you're not to be making videos and disparaging comments on social media. This needs to be investigated, the judge said. And responding to the allegations, the lead defense counsel, Mr. Dadawo Shikasan, said that though he was not aware of the movie by the Nollywood actor, but Yomi Fabiyi said that it was filmed before the criminal case began in court. And the movie is not about the controversy it's about the controversy between the two artists. And also, he said they saw the movie on YouTube as well. And the two of them are supporters of different sides, in which Yomi Fabiyi is one supporter and Ojo is another supporter. And this movie is about the controversies between both of them, and they are not parties of the case, Awoshika said. And Justice Taiwo reiterated the fact that the allegation against Yomi Fabiyi should be investigated by authorities to enable legal actions to be taken against the Nollywood actor if he is found culpable. NAN reports that famous Nollywood actress Miss Iyabo Ojo was in court during the proceeding. And NAN reports that the Nollywood actress and the foster mother of the complainant, Ms. Damilola Adekoya, alias Princess, had begun their testimonies as witnesses for the state, though Fabiyi was not in court. Alright guys, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button to always get the latest news here on our platform. As you also know that this situation has caused a lot of saga in the Nollywood industry, most especially Tampan and ENTP that actually leads to the suspension of some actors and actresses, but there has been a callback as well. And also this almost disrupt and disassemble so the Tampan Association, if not for wisdom that was used to bring it back together, as different people are counterparting themselves in the Nollywood industry. And as well, also people have just been giving their own different opinion regarding the issue, as they never even wanted the case to escalate and bring a lot of confusion and a lot of trouble into the Nollywood industry, as Yomi Fabiyi as well made a statement that the movie in which he produced, which actually used the real names of those involved in the case, saying that Iyabo Ojo also did the same thing, and she is only using this to retaliate back to Iyabo Ojo and nothing more, and no negative intention behind it. Alright guys, stay tuned and don't forget to click on the red subscribe button for more news here on our platform, and give us thumbs up showing that you love this video, and also comment in the comment section box below. Thank you so much, we love you, and I ask you so much to say God bless you.